In this lesson, we're gonna talk about Felix box. Felix will define how your items are going to fill over the available space along your main axis. Space will be divided according to each element of Felix property. We have here a blue view here that fill all the screen. It fills all the screen because we give it a height of 100% and width of 100% of the entire screen. If we give it, for example, 50, it will fill only the half of the screen. Now, what if I want to use Felix to make this fill all the screen? We just add Felix of 1 and it will fill all the screen, or any number that you want, because we don't have any view but this. Now let's try to add another view. Let's try to add a view with a style, background color, red, and Felix of 1. What do you think what's gonna happen? I'm gonna tell you. The all view, we give it a Felix of 1, so it will take all the space of this view. So all this screen is gonna be red. Look. What if we add another view with a style, background color of, for example, yellow, and give it a Felix of 1. Now we divided our screen between those, because this has a 1 and this has Felix 1. So we divided at them both. If we put here 2, this will take the double of this view. Look. Now this red view has the double of this yellow view. If we have here 3, it will be triple. This takes 7,500% of the screen, and this only takes 2,500% of the screen. Okay, that's our Felix. Let's remove this view and let's add a view that contain three views with a style, background color, aqua, height of 50 and width of 52. Let's double this view and make it red, green. Let's make them 100. To see, let's remove this blue. I want to teach you something called Felix direction. Look, Felix direction, we have 4 main property. We can make it style, we can make it column, and that's the default value. We can make it column, that's the default value. The aqua is number 1, number 2 is red, number 3 is green. We can make it column reverse. Look what's happening. The aqua became number 3, then the red, then the green. The green now is number 1. We can make it row. Look, we have the aqua here, after this the red one, after this the green one. We can make it row reverse. Look, we have here at the right. If we give this a Felix of 1 and give it column reverse, it should be at the bottom here. So you have to know those 4 properties, and those 4 properties are column, that's the default value, column reverse, row reverse, because those are important things about Felix. And in the next lesson, we're gonna talk about how to justify content and align items using row direction, because in the column direction is different to row direction.